Hello friends, today I'm gonna unbox the Sharpie box I got. It has 40 markers including 5 neon markers. So it says 40 count, 15 fine point, 14 ultra fine point, 5 neon and 6 metallic. So the box looks very colorful. You can gift it to any of your artist friends who use them a lot or kids. So these are the colors they have given. Let's see how do we open it. So here's the tape. I'll try to take out with my nail, not spoiling the box. I like to do this with all the boxes. I don't like to tear them apart. Okay, so they have given it in this container. So we'll keep this aside for now. And then there are 2 trays. And these are the 5 neons. I think 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And these are the metallic ones. They said they gave 6. So probably this, okay, yeah, it says neon here, and it says fine point, and here you can see it says AP fine point. Okay, and these are the ultra fine point. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. So we got those. Oh, these are also metallic ones they have mentioned here. These are the metallic ones. This is silver, gold, bronze, metallic ruby, metallic emerald, metallic sapphire. Okay, I have got okay, let's keep them aside. I have got a white thin paper, and this is a little bit thick. You can see this is yellow one is a little bit thick. I'm gonna test them on those 2 and see how they're gonna turn out. So we will start with the regular 15 fine point ones. So how many? 2, 3, 4, sorry for the sound, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, and so I'm gonna take 13, 14, and then this last color 15. I love this pink. Let's see how it's gonna show up on the paper. Okay, let's put them here. Let's go one color by color. We're done with the scissor. We don't need the scissor today. I'm gonna start with the yellow. I think as they're new, the cap takes some time. So that's the yellow. I hope you can see. I know it's not gonna work on this, but yeah. And this is doesn't mention their colors, but yeah, let's go ahead and try it out. They look good. You can use them as fine, because they're fine point, we can use them. And this is a red. Wow, very nice. My bad. I'm gonna draw a line on that too. I like this color a lot. It's very nice. Okay, I did them crisscross. And my favorite color, pink. pink, the baby color. Very nice shades which we can use them for our artwork. Wow, this is nice. I like it. We can use this for flowers. They're gonna be looking very beautiful. This is black. I'm gonna flip the paper and show you how it bleeds. So accordingly you can decide if you want to use it on thick paper or thin paper. So, oh, this is brown. No, gray, and this is the brown, and ooh, so many. I'm so excited to use the new set. This is my first Sharpie set. There you go. I forgot the ink again. I'll remember that. And then the green. Here goes. I like this color too. And the purple. Okay. Then the last fine point ones is this. Okay, let's see if I got all the 15. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Okay, I'm gonna turn the page and show you how it looks. Yeah, there's little bleed, but the light ones didn't go much, but the dark ones have. The bright colors have bleeded a little bit more. You'll see this one's the same thing. So I'll turn over so we can see the pinks and black, and these are bright red have come out, but the other ones look okay. So as they said, I got 5 neons. Let's start with the green. They have mentioned neon here, so it shouldn't be hard. 1. Oh. 2. Yeah, I'll do on the other paper too. Just want to open them. And 3, 4 out of this, and then 5. These are very nice, so I'll do the same thing here. 1. Let's go for the blue. Blue doesn't look so neon-y, but yellow, orange, and pink do. Green also should have been a little brighter. And that's it. The pink looks a little orangish there. Okay, we're gonna turn again. This is for the neons. I'm gonna turn it again. They didn't bleed so much except the pink. So let's turn back, and then let's go for the metallic ones. So they're here. They don't have the hook as this one, as the other ones. So we have to press them really hard to get it out. They're 3 and 4. I'm looking forward to this color. 5 and 6. I would love to use. So my first set of metallic pens. So let's see how they go. Okay, too many pens. should look good on the yellow. Wow, that's really good. Let's go for bronze. I'm sorry, it's bronze. I'm right. This is bronze. Wow, this is nice. And the next one is gold. Gold doesn't look so gold. It looks kind of bronzish. And the next one is emerald. Oh, this is nice. I think the caps are pretty good so that they won't dry up. And this is ruby. Last but not the least is metallic sapphire. So there's, this is very nice. I like the color. So they turned out to be good. Now we'll see the last ultra fine, 14 of them. They have the hook for the pocket. So there you go. They also have a black. They look similar colors. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay. And we need 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. I'm gonna pick up the 14th one. Yep, there you go. Got the 14th one. So as you can look, you can put them aside and we can store them in there. So we'll start with the 14 neon ultra fine points. So they're not, they should not be so thick. Oh, they're not thick. Very nice. There you go. Oh, let me do it on the same side. Yes, I haven't turned the metallic ones. We'll look them all together. I hope the pink doesn't bleed as much as that, just the fine point ones. They both look a little close. I hope the red looks a little different. Yeah. On the yellow paper, the one looks a little, oh, I love this pink. I'm in love for pink. It looks a little light. This purple, I think because they're new, it's taking some time for me to open them. Yellow. Oh, I like this yellow. Oh, you can't see it on the paper. Not going in a straight line. Okay. Let me try to go in a straight line. It's the purple, one more shade of purple. Okay, let me close it properly so they don't dry out. This is the peach. It's looking very nice. The peach. And this is the fish. Let me know if you can see the color name on the pen because I don't see it. Because I think probably it's in a set. That's the reason. This is black. Wow, it came out very nice. And the blue, kind of royal blue. It's nice. Oh, the metallic ones. You can see the metallic ones don't show anything at all, but the ultra fine point I can see some with the blue, much better than the fine point. And on the yellow paper you can see the same, not much. I like it. So my review on the neon ones, these three are good. These three are very good. I expected this one to be more neonish, but it isn't. Even same with the blue. And the metallic ones, all 6 seems to be good. Once I start using them, I'll make another review of how it went, how much I like them. And I'm sure I'm going to use most of these for my drawings, for my artwork. I'm going to post in a video. Oh yeah, this one belongs to this. For all the 48. So this is the ultra fine point ones. This one. So I'm going to place them for you here to check the difference. So here, and the metallic ones here, and the pink ones. See, that's the difference of the nib. And this, I hope you can see it. So this is how the fold looks, so different. So this is the unboxing video of Sharpie 40 markers. Hope you liked it. Please share, subscribe, and give a thumbs up. Thank you.
Subscribe to our new channel, MV Crafts Nest.